Hi everyone, I'm Zishan Ahmad. My student ID is S1441024. In this task, I'm going to show that how to work in pfSense by applying at least five different roles. This is a network design assignment for the Melbourne Polytechnic. In here, I have categorized different tasks I'm going to perform, which is to block a website by its IP address, then by its name, which is Wikipedia, and then block a specific port, then limit the ICMP port scanning, just block it, and then block all traffic and apply advanced rule to filter the traffic. I have got pfSense and Ubuntu running. Um, let's go to Ubuntu terminal where I have pfSense being loaded. In here I have applied at least four rules in floating. Um, that is actually when you go to firewall, just go to roles, then you come up to the floating. In here I have four different rules in the floating. The first one is to block a website by its IP address. Second one to block the ICMP port scanning. Third one is to block a specific port, which is HTTP port 80. Fourth one is to block a website by its IP by its name, which is Wikipedia. And then in the LAN I have got advanced rule, which is to actually block all the traffic, then allow particular traffic to pass through the network. So in here I have applied that Facebook should be allowed to pass through. So at the moment all the rules are disabled. I will show you guys that everything is working before like showing you the variation. So the first one I will show you that this is the hotel website, so restaurant website. This is restaurant website, so like this is working at the moment. Website is being loaded up, and second one is about the Wikipedia website, www.wikipedia.com, which is working, and third one is about any HTTP website. It might take few more seconds to load up. Yeah, here you go. Third one is about HTTP website. This is the HTTP website. And fourth one is actually about the port scanning. So just ping 8.8.8.8. We will say that all the pinging is working 8.8.8.8. So we can see the result on the screen. So I'm just going to stop it. And all the traffic is working. You can search up anything on the internet, which is actually to be changed when we apply the advanced rule. I'm just opening up any website, and here Facebook is working too, which is going to be allowed afterwards by blocking all the traffic. Here you go. Yeah. So everything is working. What I'm gonna do now, I will actually apply all the rules. Go to the floating and just enable all the rules so that we can see which rule is working, and what is the difference after applying the rule. So firstly, in the whole set I will apply all first four rules, just leaving behind the last one. So in here I have enabled all the four rules, and I will just close up all the tabs so that not any bookmark or nothing in the in the storage. So just give me a second. So let us try to search the websites. The first one is Discovery Tonight. Yeah. And then second one is just that one, HTTP website, and then we will try another one, Wikipedia. And meanwhile, because the websites are taking some time to load up, meanwhile I will do the pinging for the specific IP address. So it's ping 8.8.8.8 just to make sure that ICMP is working or not. Yeah, I think it's working because it's not giving any result for the pinging. It might take some more time to load up and to show that pinging is not successful. And in here we can see that our rules are working for all the websites. The first one was Pishabri tonight, it was restaurant name, and then it is about HTTP website. It was working, like it does exist, but because of the rule it's not working. And third one was about the Wikipedia, um, which I have already done that, and Wikipedia is not being loaded up as well. It might take some more few seconds to show up that the websites cannot be accessed. It is still searching. And we have the last rule, which is to actually block all the traffic and then just allow specific websites. So in here, this is the rule about blocking all the website. I will just enable it so that we can see the results successfully. Sorry, just here I'll just enable it as well. So let us enable that. So in here we have these two rules. This rule is about blocking all the traffic, and then we have another rule on the top, which is about allowing just specific traffic for the Facebook account. For Facebook, just pause LAN, and we will see that all the other traffic being locked up once we apply the changes. I'm just waiting for the previous website to see the result. So in here we have got the result for Wikipedia, it's not working, and then the same thing is going to happen with other website. This is about the HTTP website, and then we have this pishabri.com.au, the restaurant website. Yeah, that's pretty much everything. And I'll just quickly go to the pinging. It is still fetching up the data, but there's nothing over there. So like it's so it means that our ICMP blocking rule is working as well. And now what I will do, I will actually block all the previous 4 rules, and then I will apply the advanced rule, the last rule, because sometimes I have seen that these rules do make an impact. The advanced rule doesn't work up, or it takes more time to like block all the traffic and then allow specific traffic to the proposed website. So in here I have actually disabled all previous rules, and then I have enabled the advanced rule, and then I will just go to all of the websites, and in here we will search any website just to see if all the websites are blocked or not. This is Google, this any other website, maybe Melbourne Polytechnic, just to see that whether all the traffic is blocked or not. So it does show that all the traffic is blocked, and then we will search up the Facebook, which is being allowed only particularly to pass through. This is www.facebook.com.au. We're just waiting for the successful results, just to see that whether our rule is working. This advanced rule. Hence in here the results have been returned for the Facebook, that this website is allowed on the network. Just here, yeah, that's it. So this is a website, facebook.com. This is only the website which is allowed on the network, and everything